Over to our weather, I believe. Let's go check in with meteorologist Josh Cozart with that.
Yeah, thankfully a lot in the weather department is starting to settle down after the wet, snowy weather we've been experiencing.
Yeah, good.
And now we prepare for a bit of a warming trend here across the Pacific Northwest. We'll take you live outside here across the Pacific Northwest. 46 degrees is where we currently reside out at PDX, as a beautiful sunset is now in the works out towards Seaside and much of the Oregon coast. But look, up in elevation, buried in a thick layer of snow, a sight that has been for sore eyes because it has been quite some time since we have been able to see this amount of snow falling over the high terrain of the Cascades so far this winter season. Temperatures right now staying exactly where they should be for this time of year, into the mid-40s across the I-5 corridor, just about the same for the coastline as our temperatures are gradually starting to warm up over the mountains, and 30s still observed just east of the Cascades. Overall, though, the wind speeds there are starting to taper back into the single digits, a big difference compared to where we were, say, about 48 hours or so ago, as that cloud coverage is still widespread. Now, I would not be surprised if maybe one or two of those darker storm clouds that rolls in overhead could send us another raindrop or two, but for the most part, the brunt of the widespread, heavy, persistent rain that has now come to an end. After area rain gauges have filled up to a couple of 1/100ths of an inch for the I-5 corridor, just about the same for the coast. Astoria picking up on just about 1/10 of an inch of rain as those cloudy skies stay persistent. That cloud coverage acting a bit like a blanket for us tonight, helping to stabilize those temperatures into the low 40s and eventually falling to the upper 30s as we approach the sunrise hour tomorrow. Now, this drying trend all in part to this ridge of high pressure. So this trough right here that's now over the Four Corners states, that was the culprit for the wet and snowy weather. But now this ridge of high pressure, it's going to be drying us out, but also sending back some warmer temperatures into western Oregon and southwest Washington. That means our afternoon highs are going to be sitting above the normal of about 47 degrees by 10 degrees as we start to work our way into early next week. You can just see all of these warm colors, a good indication of the nearly 60-degree highs we are anticipated to see. So what does the next 10 days look like? We are not expecting to see any low snow elevations for the valley locations. No cold snaps, no flooding or landslide concerns or damaging winds. Really kind of stabilizing ourselves as we work our way into the middle of the month of January. That comes as no surprise that the National Weather Service has gone ahead and issued air stagnation advisories. These go into effect starting at 10 o'clock on Friday, tomorrow morning, taking us through the weekend, primarily through about Sunday at 10 a.m. for much of the Willamette Valley. That means that pollutants, so things like wood-burning stoves, likely to pollute our skies and help to reduce our air quality, all due to the lack of new storm systems kind of turning up our atmosphere. So air quality right now is sitting at the good level for the Willamette Valley, but that could be changing over the next 48 hours as the cloud coverage still remains extremely calm winds, as well as we really just have this blanket of cloud coverage sit overhead, not only on Friday with dry skies, but into Saturday as well. Then we start to see this little disturbance move in, and that will bring back the chance for a few scattered showers for Sunday into Monday, helping to warm up our temperatures. But the next 48 hours, really not expected to see very much in the way of moisture. As snow elevation levels retreat back up to 6,000 feet, that means some melting could occur around Government Camp. Thankfully, we've rebuilt back up that snow accumulation for the base layer. So that means if we do see some melting, it won't be as devastating as what we saw when, say, there was only about a foot or so of snow on the ground. Tonight, here in the city, we stay cloudy and dry, temperatures falling back into the upper 30s. We rebound into the low 50s for the I-5 corridor. You can see a drying trend taking shape here across much of the Pacific Northwest, as our 7-day forecast does show that gradual warming trend, a few scattered showers for us as early as Saturday night. That carries us into Sunday and Monday. And look at Tuesday, nearly 60 degrees as those clouds slowly start to break apart. That's going to be the case moving our way into the middle of next week. Highs still well above average by almost 10 degrees in the mid-50s after that nearly 60-degree high on Tuesday. But the sunshine, that will be a welcome sight, especially after these cloudy days ahead.
I know.
Yeah.
Early spring.
Early taste of spring.
Very early.
Right.
In January.
Thank you, Josh.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.